Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian. Today I'm going to be doing some blooming. I'm going to be blooming on the 7-inch Hexagon tiles. I get these from my local tile shop here in my town. And as I've stated in a few videos now, I'm doing my annual Christmas show with my local Arts and Crafts Association. We put all of our art into this one particular building where we rent out, and we sell all of our arts and crafts. I'm really the only one that does fluid art in my area, so I'm trying to branch out. Besides doing paintings, I'm trying to do knickknacks and things like that. So I'm doing tiles, I'm doing my paintings, I've got bracelets, necklaces. I'm also working on some jewelry with using resin. So I'm really excited about these. So today I'm going to do about 3 or 4 of these in this video. So let's get down onto the spinner and we'll get started. I'll be right back. A little bit of different colors here. I like to spin out my base pillow paint just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to use a little purple. This is a Show Pony from TLP. A little 24K gold from DecoArt. A little bit of lemon yellow. Blue green from Pebeo. A little Prussian blue from Amsterdam. Come back in with some Show Pony. Some Sapphire blue by DecoArt. Let's put some cell activator down. This is 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part of Oxide black. I got my little mini hair dryer. I got it on high fan and cool. Let's blow this out. This one's gonna be really colorful. Gonna let this collect. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's give this a spin. Beautiful. I don't know if this is gonna move. I'll see if I can shift this down a little bit. Nah, it's not going to. Let's spin in the other direction. Beautiful. One more spin. Opened up really nice. Gorgeous. Prussian blue. Some gold. Sapphire blue, blue green. Let's do that again. Prussian, not so much gold this time. Let's do the blue green. And the sapphire. So this time I'm going to change it up and I'm going to put some black cell activator, some white on top of that, and then some black again. This should give me something that kind of looks very ice blue color. Let's see. Woohoo! Nicely blown out. Got a lot of collecting going on in here. Got a little funky over here with the blowout. I'm not sure how that's going to come out. We'll see. But everything else is beautiful here. All right, let's give it a spin. I love everything except this middle piece here, man. Spin the other way. Still a keeper. Love it. Give it one more the other way. Okay. Beautiful, icy colors. Let's start off with some purple. Some green blue. Show pony. Prussian. Gold. Yellow. Some more gold. Sapphire. Sapphire is going to mix with that and probably make some green, but that's okay. Some show pony. Let's reverse it up this time. Let's do some white. A bit of black. And some white. I got a little greenish muddy color in here. We'll see how it spins out. But I'm loving the colors, and I do love the cells. It's not bad looking. This might be a scraper. We'll see. Let's spin. That's psychedelic. That's pretty cool. Even though my cells ended up green because that yellow and blue mixed, I'm okay with that. Yeah, I got one more tile, so let's just do that last one. Sapphire. Show pony. Purple. Prussian. Sapphire. Show pony. Purple. Prussian. And I'm going to top it all off with a little bit of gold. I think this one I'm going to use just black. Little spin. Ooh, yeah. That's beautiful. Go the other way. That's a success right there, Bubba. All right, there we are with the final results. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really nice. I'll let you see these when these dry. All right, guys, these are the dried results. They have been resined, so pardon the glare. I'll bring you in. But boy, did they dry fantastic. Love every single one of these. Just beautiful. I gotta say, I'm getting a little better with my blooms. It really does come down to the mixture of your paints and that Australian Floetrol. Just fantastic. Okay, everyone, that's gonna do it. These came out to be a success. So happy with how the resin came out on these. Just beautiful. The cells, fantastic. I'm not tooting my own horn, but I gotta say I'm very happy with how my blooming technique is coming out. I'm learning a lot from watching Karen with waterfall acrylics. Sheely, I haven't taken the course, but you know, watching Karen really helps me out with figuring out my hair dryer technique and the cell activator and the mixture of paints. So very happy with these. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone, have a great day now. Bye-bye.